Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Subnautica 2 and the game is not working on your Intel Arc graphics card, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Subnautica 2 not working on your Intel GPU easily. So before doing anything, the first thing that you always need to do is you need to open up your game's platform, and here the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that your game files are fully up to date. So you're going to right click on Subnautica 2, go into properties, install files, and then click verify integrity of game files here. Once you're done with that, you're going to click browse on here to go into Subnautica 2's games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive, program file is 6, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Subnautica 2 here. Your name may be different. You're going to right click on Subnautica 2's exe file, click properties, go into compatibility, click run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply, OK, and then close this up and open up your web browser. Now you're going to search for Intel GPU here, and then you're going to go on to intel.com, and you're going to make sure that your graphic card's drivers are fully up to date. You're going to click on to support, download center. You're going to click on to graphics here then. You're going to search for your graphics card here, so put in your graphics card name here, Intel Arc A750 for example, and then you're going to click on your driver, and then you're just going to click download on here to download the latest Intel Arc drivers. After that, you're going to install the drivers and you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now when you try to play Subnautica 2, you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face those problems anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.